Hello my good people, and welcome to today's video. I would like us to discuss something very sensitive, so I request you to keep around and watch this video up to the end. If you are watching my videos for the very first time, I'm called Derek Martina and I'm a student at Guru College of Health Sciences. I do clinical medicine. For the past few months we have been sharing about sickle cell disease, and we have discussed a lot of things about sickle cell disease. If you'd love to watch those videos, please check the links below and be able to learn a lot about that very condition. For the past 2 months I've been working at the sickle cell clinic at Guru Regional Referral Hospital in northern Uganda, and I've been able to learn a lot of things about sickle cell patients, and one of those things I'm going to share with us today, and that is the pain which they go through. This time it's not the pain of their sickle-shaped red blood cells failing to move smoothly through their blood vessels. It is the emotional pain which they face out there in the community. It is the stigma which they face when they go out into their communities, maybe in schools, also in their villages. I've been able to interact with very many young children who are born with sickle cell disease. I've also been able to interact with their mothers and fathers. So one common thing I've been able to discover is that these children are stigmatized in their communities, and I think the reason as to why they face this stigma is due to the fact that some people don't know about sickle cell disease. They don't know how it is spread. Maybe some of them think it is a contagious disease, and that's why they isolate them and don't want them to be shown out. I've been able to learn that some caretakers have lost their jobs due to the frequent hospitalization of their children who are born with sickle cell. Then I've also learned that in some schools, these children born with sickle cell disease are not given vacancies, and I think it's because they see them as people who cannot perform well in class, and maybe the school will not benefit from them in any way. But I think that is not the case. Trust me, sickle cell disease, as long as it is manageable, these children can perform very well in class. So I post this video to call upon all of us to be part of that community which fights against the stigma that is imposed on sickle cell patients. Let's see them as people who can be loved and given equal rights. Our new organization, Sickle Cell Africa, has it on the list of objectives, and we hope to fight stigma. We hope to form support groups in schools and also in communities to speak against stigma that is imposed on sickle cell patients. We want to go out and tell people that sickle cell disease is not spread just by touching someone with that condition. We call upon you to come and join us in spreading awareness about sickle cell disease. I want to thank you so much for watching this video at the end, and see you in the next video. Bye.